I know you guys don't realize it when you're driving like these trucks and stuff, but when you pass closely, it's really unnerving.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
I'm fine. Okay?
But do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You don't care, do you? Do you even care?
That's fine. I understand. You need 4 feet. No problem.
Okay. It's mainly at him.
Pardon?
I said it's mainly with him. I'm not trying to accuse anybody, but it was quite a close pass.
Well, I didn't see his pass.
I know.
Okay?
I know you didn't.
All right.
I just want to just try to talk to him.
I'm fine. Okay?
I know you are.
Sorry.
You're not the one that close passed me. I know you're busy. I know you're busy, but I'm just trying to make you understand.
You're passing him was nerving to him. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry.
Thank you, man. I appreciate. I know you're busy. I know,
Yeah.
and you probably don't realize it, but I'm just on a bike. You know what I mean? So I thank you.
I seen you. I see
I know.
you there. I mean, I see your lights and stuff.
I know. It's just if you could just try in the future, just a little further to the left. Thank
All right.
you. Thank you.
No problem. All right, guys.